Hey, should've been post. Bitch talk shit on me, I gotta do something. Bring me the brush, you built, and I'm painting on my color, painting on it.
Hey guys, welcome back. This week is basically me just prepping for uni and stuff like that. It's a lot of prep stuff. Also, I have to show you something. An update on the DHC lip cream. I've been wearing for a couple of nights and I really like it. I'm gonna go grocery shopping, so I'm gonna get ready. Here's the outfit of the day. Very simple. Thrifted. This was Abigail's, but I think she also thrifted this. Okay, let's go. We're going to Kroger. Which one? All those?
But all different kinds.
What's all these?
Do you think that's still good? It's not.
Apples, yeah. Where's my list? I need my list.
너무 아름다운 너희도 조금만 더 그 조금만
Where's the tip? Really cute.
이제부터 다시 보면 되겠지 틀어놓을 테니까 이 영화를 넌 보며 먹을 맥주 한 캔과 과자를 사 우리 하루 종일 뒹굴거리면서 다시 뒹굴거리고 또 입을 맞추면서 다시 입을 맞추네 또 다시 입을 만들어주고
I'm just drinking this. It's like a healthy smoothie. There's a lot of like healthy things in here. I think there's protein powder and stuff, but I'm gonna drink it. Oh, we're drying clothes. We usually dry clothes on the table, so that's why I see clothes there. Also, for brunch, I'm just gonna cut this apple. Oh, like that. Okay. Here's my breakfast. This one got kind of. I'm not sure what happened to this one, but I'm still gonna eat it.
他这牌子吧，就是没事总给这个起外号，特地改的这个备注，打一道桃花。这张，你放心。
We're grocery shopping again. Here's my dates. Wow, beautiful. So I actually changed half my classes to online classes. I had a really full schedule, so I just switched half of my classes to online classes so I have more time and stuff like that. So yeah, that's my current situation right now.
It looks good.
Oh, it's Kelly.
I'll eat the tail since Kelly does not like. I don't like. I'm fine.
Okay, I'll eat the tail.
Yeah.
When I wake up I feel cozy.
I am quite busy today. I have to do a lot of cleaning. I'm gonna do some laundry because as you can see, it's a huge pile of laundry and then I need to clean everything. So, okay. I need rice first. What am I doing? Recently, I've been taking these kind of vitamins again. This is vitamin and then this one's like a probiotic.
Wondering if thousands of miles away.
This is brown rice and then shrimp with a lot of vegetables and then my tea. By the way, I'm not getting rid of my bangs. Some people were wondering if I was getting rid of my bangs. I'm not getting rid of them. I don't think I can get rid of them. I don't know. I feel like I just need bangs. I don't know. It's summer and then they get really greasy. I still haven't done my laundry yet. Right there.
I feel a little more better with rice.
Okay.
That's it?
I'll have to put in here. A cucumber that was grown in the garden. Cucumbers. Well, those aren't made for exercise, Abigail. That's the same thing.
Oh my god, it's the fishnet.
What fishnet? Oh my gosh. That does not look right.
Man, you have so much clothes in here. Right?
I just did a closet cleanup. It just looks like a lot.
What? Do you even wear like half of
Most of those clothes are for fancy events. I don't go to fancy events.
Your closet's overflowing. And it's bigger than mine.
Abigail, I did a closet cleanup. It's not that bad.
Like at least you got rid of like 5 things.
I got rid of 2 bags. Hey guys, right now I am gonna go ahead and tour the school. It's not like their like official tour or whatever. Oh, my hair. It's not their official tour or anything. It's just I'm just gonna walk around and see like where my classes are. Okay, let's go. I just got here. The parking that I paid for, like the permit, is I don't think it's open. So I have to park in this visitor parking, I think. Ta-da! I don't know where to go. So pretty. Oh, look at that. Guys, I'm so lost. I don't know where I'm going. Look, so pretty, right? It's so hot. I took a while longer than I thought it would, honestly. I thought it wouldn't take that long, but it's a lot bigger than I thought. Hopefully my hair's not greasy because I'm gonna be meeting friends later. I need water. Bye guys. Of course.
I was trying to take a cute video. I'm just ooh. You look so ugly in this video. That's just me.
What are you doing? What? You're getting ready?
Oh, I was like, what are you doing?
Hi everyone. So we're at the end of this video. I hope you guys like this one. I almost deleted everything. Like, I put it in the trash bin without even realizing it and deleted it in the trash bin. I had to do so much work to get it back, but I finally got the project back, and next week I'm finally going to college. So look out for college videos. Anyways, this is really off topic, but they're cutting down one of my favorite trees over there. I'm kind of sad. Anyway. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.